Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In today's video, we are going through a set of beautiful kotta silk cotton sarees. These sarees are having a very pretty contrast kottanji border. The body part is having beautifully designed puttas along with a rich contrast pallu and a running blouse. These classic color combination sarees you are getting in a price of 880 rupees only, and Bonadia now offers a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For orders, please DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Hope you like the collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.